Comfort comes in many forms. While temperature and air quality are important, you can't have total home comfort without proper humidity levels. Trane Total Home Humidifiers eliminate the uncomfortable dry conditions that may often aggravate asthma and allergy symptoms, all without the hassles that portable humidifiers create, such as time-consuming refilling and cleaning. Maintaining proper humidity in every room of your home can also protect your investment in wood furnishings, hardwood floors, and other valuable contents. Plus, humidified air feels warmer too, so you'll be able to set your thermostat to a lower setting, which may save energy in the process. And you can relax, knowing that it has the Trane name behind it.